Get your head on right up, go over some form. We got survivors too, celebrating 800. You guys are crushing it.
So I'm super excited to talk about what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. I'm going to show you my workouts in detail, making sure it's the way I want it to be. But then also I am going to be having Javvy, which is a protein coffee that has, y'all, literally 70 calories and 10 grams of protein per scoop, which is pretty insane when you think about the amount of protein that is. So I'm going to be trying their different flavors every day for the next 4 days, giving you my absolute honest opinion. Because one thing that you know about me, I'm going to tell you the truth about how I feel about a product. And so today we're going to start with the first flavor, which is going to be the original flavor. Now, one thing is, y'all know, I love a good iced coffee and I love a good coffee. That's like my sweet spot. That's my relaxation. And so I really take my coffee serious. So this is coffee. This isn't like some kind of fake product. It's 100% real coffee. So it's just like the coffee that you brew in your coffee maker. It's just like my Nespresso pods over there. It's coffee. What I do like about it is it doesn't have any artificial sweeteners. It doesn't have any stevia. It doesn't have anything like that. It is already good and ready to go. So let's try this first flavor. I'm going to put it over ice and I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you what I think. Okay, so I'm going to put oat milk in mine. I'm definitely more of a cream-based coffee drinker than a water-based coffee drinker. And then I'm going to put a little bit of half and half in here because that's what I put in my normal coffee. And then, of course, we're going to go with the 2 scoops of protein powder at 70 calories a scoop. That's like insane that you're going to get that much protein at 10 grams. That's like 20 grams of protein. It's pretty good. It is something that I would add just 1 sweetener to, just to give it a little bit sweeter taste, because I like my coffee sweet. Like, I'm not one of those people that likes my coffee. It has definitely got that good, rich coffee, like espresso taste to it. I feel like this would be like almost like a dark coffee taste, but overall pretty good. And the fact that this has got all this protein, this proffee, is pretty, I'm actually slightly impressed. Much better with the sweetener, but it still had a little bit of sweetness to it, just not as much as I like my coffee. So far so good. So this was the original flavor. So next I'm going to show you my running workout that I'm working on, and then we'll try another flavor tomorrow. So the goal is to increase my run time. My goal is to run at least 3 times a week. So we're about to go run. It's only like 59 degrees, which is amazing running weather. And I'm going to do this on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Possibly a Sunday split, just depends on what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so it is day 2. Got my run in, all part of my 3-day split. So to get my protein intake for this morning, I'm gonna have 2 boiled eggs, and then we are going to have the Javvy coffee, and this one we're doing French vanilla. So I'm super excited about this one because I love French vanilla. Not only do I love French vanilla, but this one probably is gonna have a more undertone of a sweeter taste. That's my hypothesis, I'm not sure. And so, of course, I'm gonna just try it without the sweetener, and then I'll add my equal if I need to, or any kind of creamer. So today, I'm actually going to mix this with the almond milk, a little splash of half and half, and I'm gonna actually probably put a little splash of my birthday cake creamer in there, just depending, but I'm gonna taste it first without it just to see. But I'm excited about it, y'all, because between the eggs and this, like the amount of protein that I'm about to get from that quick, simple, easy breakfast is like crazy to me. That one's good. That one's really good. Honestly, I don't even need the creamer. I mean the sweetener. This one's good. I'm gonna put a little splash of the confetti birthday cake Chobani creamer in it just to see like how that would taste with it. And I mean, like, Literally like less than a tablespoon. Yes, French vanilla, thumbs up on this one. Like, y'all, I'm almost halfway done and that's 10 grams of protein. That's like eating like a chicken. Okay, Javvy, let's see what you're doing. So good morning, everyone. Today is day 3. As you can see, I am on a walk. I'm just gonna take a 45-minute walk. And so I'm gonna finish up this walk and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna try the caramel flavor today. I'm super excited because caramel, like a salted caramel, we're gonna see what we can do with that one. Okay, so workout complete. We are getting ready to try caramel, which I have high hopes for because I love me some caramel. I love a good salted caramel, really, more than anything. Oh, snipe. Oh. Struggling here. I'm struggling to figure out why this one's so good. Like, it's just caramel, but I feel like this one, like, pew, took a little leap up. All right, we only have one more to try, which is Mocha, which we'll try tomorrow, which will be the last one. I'll try that one, come back, give you my honest opinion about all 4 flavors, and how I incorporated this to hit my protein goals. So I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so today is day 4, and so I am about to go up, do a complete strength training workout. Then I'm gonna come back downstairs and we're gonna try our final flavor, which today is Mocha. So I'm interested in this flavor, and then I will give you my final thoughts, talk about the protein that I was able to take in this week, and we'll go from there. Baby, you're my pillow, soft like dreams. Okay. Mocha. I saved the best for last. This one is definitely my favorite of the 4. And I know it's my favorite because I didn't add any I didn't add any kind of external creamers. Y'all, if this was like how I'm gonna get 10 to 20 grams of protein, oh snap. Like, this one is my favorite. This one's my favorite. Mocha's my favorite. All right, so 4 flavors, 4 different days, 4 different workouts. I've given you my absolute honest opinion. And at the end of the day, I think this is a great alternative source for protein. What I love about it, from I said from the beginning, there's no artificial sweeteners, there's no stevia, there's no color added. It's 100% coffee, so it's not some kind of product made in a lab somewhere that isn't good for your body. I would never get on here and tell y'all to put anything in your body like that. The other thing that I do like about it is it's coffee. So just like coffee that you make in your coffee pod or your espresso pods or all of that, you're getting the coffee, but you're also getting the added bonus of protein. And for me, as I told you from the very beginning, I'm really focused in on hitting my protein. So this is like a super easy way. Like 20 grams of protein, like in my morning coffee or my iced coffee, is crazy. If I mix that with like 2 boiled eggs and a sausage link, y'all, that's like 40 grams of protein. Like, that's almost more than, well, close to almost half of the protein that I need for the whole day. So what I will say, just recap. So we started with the original. The original was good, but what I am going to say that I probably should have said on day 1 is this is original flavored coffee. It's just coffee flavored. So you make it as you want. I went back and had this again and put some creamer in it and actually a pump of salted caramel syrup, and it was completely delicious. But I don't know if I thought like, okay, original coffee is going to have like a flavored. I would never go to Starbucks and order like coffee with nothing in it. So this is truly coffee. It's an excellent base. French vanilla. French vanilla was good. Like, French vanilla, I thought was gonna be my favorite because I like French vanilla in real life. Like, if you go over here, you're gonna see multiple French vanilla pods. But this one was good. It didn't really need anything to be added with it. the caramel. Then I thought the caramel was gonna be my favorite. The caramel was really good. What I liked about it is it wasn't overpoweringly that kind of fake artificial taste that you sometimes get when you have anything that's flavored coffee, where it's like, okay, it tastes almost like that chalky aftertaste taste. I don't know how to describe it, but none of them had this. And then today we tried Mocha. And so I thought it was going to be a battle between these two, but I'm not going to lie. The Mocha absolutely tasted the most like I'm in a drive-thru getting an iced coffee. That's what it tastes like the most to me. So I will leave everything down below if you're interested in Javvy. I want to thank them for sending me over these samples and allowing me to use them the last 4 days and give my honest opinion as we get ready to hit our hot goals for the summer. As always, I want to thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.